तो ये stages होता है
ये स्टरलाइजर हाँ ये
First thing is the mixing.
ये स्पिरिना का स्टरलाइजर है
Spirulina होता है तो mix
इसमें
करता
से
है.
आता है मिक्स होकर
Then is-
टैबलेट्स बन के
उसके बाद
इसमें से बाहर निकलता
oven में slowly cook करता है, dry करता है because nutrients जितना हो सकता है उतना preserve कर रहे हैं. So we want just cooking in a very less temperature. Not cooking actually, heating it in a very less temperature for a prolonged time. उसके बाद होता है उसको powder बनाता है. Then the milling होता है इसका. Then it is given to the tablet section. So this is the pre-processing area of the tablet. If it is for capsules, they directly issue from here, seal the material and it goes to the capsule filling. Powder also होता उधर जाएगा. So can I get this?
Then you come front. Yeah. Good morning. चलो आ जाओ. Come here. Yeah. This is our factory. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Hi.
So this is basically
Yeah. Talk. Come fast.
So this is basically powder filling area. Powder filling area where it is like you are getting the powder which is like reishi mushroom bottle 70 gram. These all are filled here. Shiitake mushroom powder, lion's mane. These all powders have been filled here. And the good part is this is like automated system where you load the powder and it is like with less human touch. Means there is less chances of any problem. So it is bottled, metal grade, auto weighing systems are there to check the volume of the weight, to sort of check the weight condition, and it is being packed. So this is all powder line, meant for powder line. Shiitake, pearl powder we have not started. Other all powders, reishi mushroom powder, Ganosylium powder.
Goddess leaf, lion's mane,
goddess
everything.
leaf, yes.
Yeah.
So moving next to the capsule filling line.
समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो मैडम टॉक इन हिंदी सम हिंदी टॉक बिकॉज
Okay. So either
हिंदी में बोल रही
I
है
am not fluent in Hindi, but try
या
to
नो
try
प्रॉब्लम
to-
नो प्रॉब्लम आई करेक्ट यू
या ये कैप्सूल फिलिंग लाइन है. ये इसमें हमको उसमें सेमी होता है और इसमें ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम है.
Okay.
दो टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स विल रन इन दैट मशीन. उसमें चलता है जैसे कि ब्लैक क्यूमिन प्लस और ये ऑटोमेटिक लाइन है. इसमें कैप्सूल्स होते हैं. हमारे डिफेक्ट्स हम लोग इधर आईपीटीसी चेक इंस्पेक्शन में ये पकड़ता है. एवरीथिंग विल बी चेक्ड हियर एंड इवन देयर इज अ लैबोरेटरी देयर. This is the process flow of that. Can I just have it? So after the sieving, the capsules like dispensing of material, and then wherever blending is required, we are doing blending. और उसके बाद direct capsule filling. And the good thing is that we are using vegetable capsules, empty shells of vegetable capsules, not the other one. So vegetable capsules are safe compared to the other one. So here, then we move to the tablet section. So this is a small session which is where you are finding the myco-veggie products. Myco-veggie in Gulf, it is in 400 gram bottles.
Yeah.
But now they have recently started to launch a new thing which is in 5 gram. So
Okay,
convenient
good.
for the convenience of the people, it will be coming in a 40 box. It's in a box 5 into 40 gram.
Okay.
So this is packed here. We have mixers here for the mixing of the myco-veggie. So this is the again second powder line. Powder filling. And apart from the myco-veggie, you have myco-vita. It is also being filled here.
Okay.
So moving forward, this is the tablet processing, which I have explained previously. The pre-processed tablet, it is being taken for the shaping, compressing part. इधर ये compress करता है, tablet का shape बनाता है, जो triangle shape होता है, वो ये बनता है. इसमें भी high speed है, low speed है, normal speed है. ये तो हमारा high speed machine है, this is the normal speed machine. So this is the processing of the tablet. The thing is that it is having inbuilt metal detectors, sorters. मेटल डिटेक्टर और सॉर्टर इसके अंदर ही इनबिल्ट होता है, जैसे कि उसका कोई भी कुछ भी एनी कंटामिनेशन इज बीइंग डिटेक्टेड इन द मशीन इन द इनिशियल स्टेज itself. So this is the tablet compressing machine. So moving forward, so this is the filling manufacturing line of the tablets and capsules. So whatever we produce there, we fill it here. So again, filling means the bottles, the empty bottles will be loaded here. As you see here, there will be empty bottles here. We do with the air cleansing. Air is flushed to cleanse the bottles. If there is any chances of dust or anything, it has been cleansed, and the bottles move from there to this side in the conveyor belt. Here the tablets or the capsules are loaded. Where it is counted, there is a counting line here. Counted and this bottling has been done. So it is filled in the primary bottling. Here there is a
बराबर से काउंट होके बॉटल्स में जाता है. यहाँ पर इसको साफ किया जाता है, स्टरलाइज किया जाता है. या
उसके बाद it is moving towards the metal reaction. Metal reaction again metal reaction is going on because any chances of contamination we have to avoid. So metal reaction. So after this metal reaction, it goes to the checkware system. Checkware means any tablet, any piece of tablet, if there is उसमें कम आएगा, उसको रिजेक्ट करना है. और कुछ भी ये है, इसमें रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा. उसके बाद जाएगा इसके अंदर कैपिंग एंड इंसुलेशन. कैपिंग एंड इंसुलेशन. So इसमें क्या हुआ है? This one.
या
So caps are loaded there. Again caps are cleansed. Then loaded the cap. उसके बाद इसको ऐसा डालता है. This one will be inside. Okay. उसके बाद इधर आके you do this one. The seal. उसके बाद इधर आता है. Then there is a manual inspection going on. Injection seal को check करता है. Whether it's there or not. Then we person standing here. We will check in each and every bottles. Like majority of the bottles. Then it is moving to the labeling system.
इसमें भरने के बाद फिर लेबल में जाता है, फिर लेबल हो जाता है.
Here is labeling system with printing. हम उसको बैच नंबर, प्रोडक्शन एक्सपायरी, क्या क्या डिटेल्स चाहिए, वो सब इधर फीड करता है और लेबल के ऊपर प्रिंट होके वो बाहर इधर आ रहा है. Once it is here, it is going to the direct carton
Boxes, yeah.
जितना भी लिमिट हो हम ह्यूमन टच को कम करते हैं क्योंकि बिकॉज ह्यूमन टच अवॉइड करेगा तो इट्स गुड. ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम ज्यादा अच्छा है. सो एफजी आएगा, फिर इट इज मूव टू द एफजी स्टोरेज. गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप.
ये सब पैकेजिंग है. पैकेजिंग के बाद स्टीरिनाइजर. या जल्दी आ जाओ. जल्दी सब आराम से आ रहे. You ask about coffee. You ask about coffee now. You're talking about coffee.
Next stage.
Achha, this is okay.
Yeah, these are the coffees which we'll go to the next stage. The coffee. So,
जल्दी आओ, जल्दी आओ.
एकदम खुशी.
Come fast. क्या करे वहाँ खड़े रह के?
वो वीडियो बना रहे हैं.
इसी This is about history, no?
This is like a laboratory. This is laboratory, and this is the certifications part.
Okay.
So just sign these about the certification part. So once everyone
That
is
is
here,
certificates.
Yeah, certificates. So can we start? Please, everyone.
Come fast, come fast. कॉफी बाद में लेके जाएंगे उधर उस साइड में, इधर नहीं है. आप लोग इधर खड़े रहो. बोल रही हो. Come fast. हाँ,
We have
start.
started our production in 2022, and from then onwards we have started like the initial certification was HACCP, which is a system HACCP, and after that we moved to ISO 22000, and then that is a food management system. So we are certified for ISO 22000 and ISO 22716 for cosmetics part, like GMP certification. Now we are moving forward to the GMP from Ministry of Health as well, so that We are covering all the certificates. In future, we might be moving towards BRC and other further certifications, which it's in the pipeline. So this is general certification explanation. Other than the certification part, all the IPQC tests has been carried out in the laboratory. We have laboratory here. So IPQC tests, basically each and every batches we are doing the testing. Not only from the laboratory, we are providing it outside also. So in this laboratory, we have 3: physical, chemical and microbiological testing. Whereas physical testing, it is done for the majority of the tablets or anything which is like hardness, friability or anything which is like for the tablets or disintegration. Whereas chemical and microbiology, it is done more into detailing. For the micro, we do every test like total bacterial counts. So after that report, we pass the product to you. So this test is a must before leaving the factory. It is not only from here, we give it to outside laboratory also. Not every batch is for outside laboratory at certain frequencies. So quality is a priority and our responsibility as well. So we maintain that. After testing, coffee, cosmetics and toothpaste, in different countries also they have regulations to get this test report done. So that is just an overview of the quality department here. And J02, this is just a temporary warehouse, a floating warehouse, just to store raw materials and as temporary office here. So just an overview.
अंदर सर्टिफिकेट्स की पिक्चर्स है, आपको लेना है तो ले सकते हो. जो अंदर लगे जो कुछ दीवार पे जो दैट इज सर्टिफिकेट्स. ओके, आप लोग को लेना है, किसी को दिखाने तो दिखा सकते हो. शो फ्रॉम हियर, नो प्रॉब्लम. वन बाय वन ईयर. आप लोग को सर्टिफिकेट की पिक्चर लेनी है तो ले सकते हो वन बाय वन.
Dubai municipality A grade certifications also there.
ओके. या नामू बनिए ओरिजिनल कॉफी. ओके,
चलो आपने ले ली ना, फिर आपसे ले ली.
सब ओके. चलो आ जाओ, कॉफी पीने आ जाओ, कॉफी पीने. जल्दी, थोड़ा फास्ट आओ, फास्ट आओ.
We will move to the coffee manufacturing now.
सारे उधर ही पीछे होंगे, देखना.
चलो हम लोग सीख के निकल जाए, बैठ के आराम से कॉफी पिएंगे.
नहीं, वो दूसरी बात है ना कि उनकी भी ड्यूटी है ना, अभी दूसरे
वो
लोग
कर
भी
लेते
वेट कर रहे हैं.
एक एक इसमें इतना टाइम वेस्ट कर लो. मैं भी बोर नहीं
आंटी ने ट्रे है ना,
ये खत्म होता है. या नाउ टेक.
Tired or not?
You tired, huh? He tired. Okay.
Please come, please come.
Come.
Production is going to finish.
And then they come fast.
Come
Then
fast,
they come fast. Come fast, सब खत्म हो जाएगा.
This is the main thing. Aunty, this is the main thing.
या ना.
Because of coffee.
Yeah. Here? Stand here?
I'll start.
Okay. Come fast.
Please come fast. Seems everyone low energy. What happened?
No drink coffee.
Really? No, I will make you energized now. One
Yeah, yes.
minute. DXN!
Number 1. Start.
energy.
हाँ चलो start.
Finish only this much?
No, so many people, but they are taking videos.
No. I will, because once we have team, very good to explain.
जाओ ना, कोई भी बुला, बोलो ना जल्दी आने के लिए लोग को. सब लोगों को रुका के रखते हैं. दिस इज अवर फैक्ट्री. और आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि कितनी बड़ी फैक्ट्री है. ये दुबई में है और सब इंजॉय कर रहे हैं. अभी हम लोग कॉफ़ी में आए हैं क्योंकि हमको कॉफ़ी पीना है. जब कॉफ़ी पियेंगे तो एनर्जी बूस्ट होगी, वरना नहीं होगी. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा पैकेजिंग साइड है जहाँ पर कॉफ़ी वगैरह पैक होता है, कोकोजी कॉफ़ी वगैरह. और मटेरियल आता है हमारा मलेशिया से और यहाँ आके ये पैकेजिंग होता है. ये सारा प्रोडक्ट हमारा मलेशिया से आता है और यहाँ आके पैकेजिंग होता है, जैसे कॉफ़ी है, चाय है और कोकोजी वगैरह है। तो ये इसका बेवरेजेस का डिपार्टमेंट है। तो यहाँ पर अभी हमको बताएंगे ये कि ये किस तरीके से पैकेज होता है और फिर हम बाहर जाके कॉफ़ी भी पियेंगे और केक भी खाएंगे। ठीक है, खत्म हो गया। क्या बोलूँ? बोल क्या हो गया? पे आता है तो देखने भी नहीं मिलते। थोड़ा फास्ट करो, पूरा फास्ट करो। अगर कॉफी चाहिए तो फास्ट करो।
ये ले आंटी। बैग के ऊपर वीडियोस बन रही है।
और कैसा लग रहा है माया?
गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब अपने फैक्ट्री में लिए
तुम मलेशिया फैक्ट्री देखी हो ना?
Hello.
मलेशिया फैक्ट्री या देखी ना?
मलेशिया फैक्ट्री
हाँ,
जैसे
उसके बाद हाँ सेम लग रहा है। चलो या
You are from?
शारजा एंड अलेन। शारजा एंड अलेन।
Sharjah where?
अलेन या
Sharjah where?
शारजा एंड अजमान, सॉरी।
I'm saying in Sharjah, that's right.
ओके या
I think you are second round this one. Before you came, I remember your face. Okay. My name is Anand, taking care of production and operations.
ओके
Okay, now when we talk about our Daxon, first one I think you already covered, dietary supplements.
या
So I don't need to explain now.
नो नीड।
Now then we finished the J02. That's our high equipped micro lab, admin office, and our FG storage area.
यस,
And now we entered in our coffee area.
मेन एरिया।
You can feel the smell.
यस,
Okay. We have two coffee factories. One allergen. Allergen basically NDC. Okay. For all milk products known as allergen and non-allergen. In non-allergen, black coffee and lemon tea. Then we move to cosmetics. Clear. Now,
ओके
in coffee, pharma or dietary supplements and cosmetics, all raw material we use same Malaysia. You can check in front of you all these raw materials, NDC, any raw material other than sugar, same as Malaysia. This is whole, this is products is on hold. We need to send it back to Malaysia. All material you can see, Malaysia. Same Malaysia, same raw material, same mixing, only sachets. Still some of the countries still sachets. Like Saudi, black coffee still sachets.
Sachets.
Soon will be stick pack. I think black coffee, Bahrain now, sachets. Soon will be stick pack. So all are going to be in stick pack. So
Inshallah.
stick pack is very compactable, very useful, easy to tear. We can put all
In pocket
material
also.
into the glass.
Keep it
Okay.
coffee also.
या
And I will take you, we need to move fast because today is Saturday. We need to shut down the line properly and we need to maintain our GMP practice and all. So we need to move fast, otherwise we will miss our cosmetics production.
यस, इसलिए फास्ट आ जाओ प्लीज।
Everyone, I know everybody is excited. Please come forward as a team.
नहीं कॉफी कॉफी कॉफी।
Please come fast. Please come fast.
কফি প্যাকেটের
सॉरी
This is our coffee
Synergy,
production
natural coffee.
process flow.
এই কফি
We get the raw material from Malaysia. Okay. Then we weigh the raw material. We mix the raw material. We do sieving. After sieving, the product will go for filling. After filling, will go to box or bag for final packing. These are the products which we produce from Daxon. Before box, all box. Now to bag, except Cocosi.
one of the coffee. This is
Clear?
coffee.
Check
coffee, yeah.
Before what is that? Sachet.
यस
Now stick.
यस
Okay. Then 3-in-1.
Sachet
Same 3 in 1.
sticks. Black coffee.
Black coffee.
And stick.
Cocoa tea same. Okay.
Lemon tea also.
Lemon tea.
Stick now.
Now
Same.
lemon tea, yeah.
Zabil.
Yes.
Zabil. Okay. Now please come fast.
चलो चलो उधर चलो उधर चलो उधर चलो
Reaction. Number 1. Number 1. Reaction. Number 1. Reaction. Number 1. Reaction. Number 1. Number 1. Reaction. We get the raw material. As I told, we get the raw material. We are not touching by hand. That raw material will go to this mixing machine. After mixing machine, through the pipeline will come to this machine. High speed filling machine. At that time, same time 10 products. See, 3 in 1. Okay. So because of safety, because of visit, we are not running this machine. Stick pack will come here. Auto bagging will go to this bagging machine. After bagging, auto bagging, auto packing. 20 stick packs will go to bag. After that, it will weigh the product and will go for sealing.
पैकिंग होता है फिर उसके बाद वेइंग होता है वो वजन देखा जाता है फिर इसको भेजा जाता है
We need to go. We need to move fast.
लेट्स मूव चलो आ जाओ चल 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 चल
আমাদের আবুল কাসেম মুন্সি ভাই যার কোনো
कम हियर इधर आओ कम दिस साइड प्लीज
black coffee production.
ओके
Black coffee, same, 3 in 1, nothing. Because of the visit, we are doing manual packing, that's it, okay? Now we will move fast, cosmetics.
चलो आ जाओ चल अपना मेन आया चल
कॉस्मेटिक